I've got some mango at home that we're gonna make a chutney with, and this freshly picked coriander will come in, pardon the pun, very handy. So this is a peeled mango, just the regular type of mango that you can get from supermarkets now, quite readily available. I think this is the Kent variety of mango. So this mango that you've just seen a moment ago has been finely chopped up. We could have probably grated it, and that's obviously an option, but we've just finely chopped it up. Ideally for a chutney, matchstick size pieces is probably better. Now it's just a case of chopping up the coriander and adding the chilli. It's going to be probably dry chilli flakes this time, but obviously when you have fresh green chilies to hand, I'd recommend that instead. Right, let's get on with the rest of the ingredients then. So we've got some chili that we've lightly toasted and some finely chopped garlic, again just toasted on a dry pan, and that's going to be added and all mixed together with the coriander. The celebration in this dish is the coriander, homegrown fresh coriander, and because it is so aromatic and fresh, you don't need a great deal, and obviously you want to add salt to taste. This is a really simple Bangladeshi mango chutney, or as we pronounce it, chutney. When I'm looking at this, I know that the reason why the chutney isn't looking as vibrant and as juicy is because the variety of mango that we're using this time is one that most people can readily get. Now, if you really want to taste this snack in a more authentic manner, then I would recommend getting a hold of the mangoes that you can get from ethnic superstores and Asian cash and carries and places like that. They tend to be mangoes that are softer and more juicier, and I actually think a lot tastier. But the reason why I did this is that it's mangoes that can easily be got from everyday supermarkets here in the UK. Try it. You might do a variation on this, add other herbs, and find that, you know, you can tailor it to your own taste. But this is a simple summertime snack, or whenever, using coriander and mango. Thanks for watching, and if you've liked it, please go ahead and subscribe, and obviously share it with friends and family.